left 4.9 k's. That's still standing there. Left, yeah. Still.
And how far?
Turn left. I'll tell you when you turn right. So you're still within the vicinity there of that section. Next update to see if it gets to the road. Yes, this is got signal now. That's still same spot. This has got signal. I don't want to interfere with it now.
In 600 meters, turn left.
So you're going to go right. Go right. Go right around. Okay. Alright, then 400 meters left, I'll tell you when. Not this one. It's not this one. Just pass. Next one left.
Turn left.
Next one left, and then we're going to get to it.
Left, ja.
Yeah, left here.
En dan moet ons stoppen voor. Oh, left through.
Your destination is on the
Oh,
right.
it's coming around, so go past. It's in the back here. No, go past, go. Just follow this. So the next road that turns in left.
Left, okay.
Just watch. So there's, in there. Here's the TMPD. Grab them somewhere. Go.
Guys, we've got a vehicle that's taken in a house robbery. It's just behind us here. We've got a vehicle that was taken in a house robbery. It's just behind us here.
In here.
300 meters, turn right.
Okay, yeah. So you're going up, and then you're going to go left. Yeah, it's still standing here idling. So it'll have to come to us. It's literally standing right there.
Where are we?
We are here.
Okay, go fast.
I'm waiting. There we go. Directions. There. So we must go around. Go around. It's literally going to be straight ahead of us, eh? Staan daar onder 'n boom, sê Jakob.
Staan hy nou? Is hy daar? Hy wys vir ons vorentoe. Waar wys hy vir ons nou? Alright.
It's showing just around the bend there.
Waar's ons?
Yeah, see, here's this little crossroad.
Okay, it's
so
back.
straight. No, it's there. It's coming that way. Oh no, it's in there. It's in that side. So go around here. Not yeah, in here, up there. Because it's literally across there now.
Repeat your mark for Fox Golf 3 and your assistance needed.
Negative Fox Golf 3, we're in
Marapilani.
Yeah, Marapilani, Bella area for a recovery. So we're on top of it.
See. It's
Ah, there it shifted. Just shifted now. It's on the main road again. Okay, shift.
Hy beweeg
Hy's
nou.
weer op die mynpad.
Daai mynpad daar.
Kyra.
Ons kyk gou.
Nee. Ja, hy moet 'n GP plaat hê.
Ja, maar ek nou 'n MP
Ja. Okay, you ready to move? Okay. It's this side. It's showing here in the property. Hey, wys hierso.
Waar?
Showing just across here. Reverse back. Agtertoe. It's across there in the property. According to this thing. And look to your right somewhere now. We are literally apparently across from it.
Even there? Check where we are.
There.
Okay, gooi het on the... Nee, wat ik bedoel. Okay,
See, we are there.
Op die Google kaart.
It's back. Left.
Okay, go on the Google Maps.
It's literally on the opposite section there. It's literally, I just pinged, yeah. We're on top of it now again.
Is it still moving? Oh my.
Remind me later, hold on.
I'm just going to, I must log in back again.
Got it, hold on.
Okay.
Ja, maar hy het nou weer ge-update. Ek stuur dit nou vir jou. Ja.
Te sien daar, toe is daar af.
Nee, maar as dit was nie hy nie, die ding is nou heeltemal te ver weer.
It's a Kia Cherry J2.
A
White
one.
in color.
Alright, go out that way.
Nice shopping mall.
Ja,
Waar?
out. Go out back to that main road we were at.
Okay.
Head northeast.
I couldn't have updated that.
Turn left.
No, I think this
Straight,
thing's delayed.
straight.
Yeah, go out and then left, out.
Where left?
Out that way.
That way or that way?
In 200 meters,
Go straight, sorry.
turn left.
Yeah, that's going down. Go straight down. And left out.
Left out, ja.
It's going to take you on a circle and onto the main road.
There's the main road, yeah. Left or right?
Left.
Het lijkt me die sein is nie lekker hier nie. Ons voel net wat lank om te draai.
Go left.
Yes.
In 600 meters, continue straight.
And go up. So I don't want to take us on the dirt road. I want to cut us through to the mall on
Yeah.
the dirt road.
Where are we now?
There.
Where is it taking us?
To there.
Okay, why are we going in the opposite direction
Because the other way it wants to take us is the dirt road. These bumpy dirt roads.
of the... I've got interesting check for update.
Nee, hierdie lyk so aan 'n dorpie dan.
No, it's still standing still. Okay, you're going to go
Straight
left.
left. Then, straight left.
So, there's a left, yeah? Left east. PD's still behind us now.
Oh,
What the MPD do?
what then? Some PD. They're provincial.
He's parked in
800
somewhere.
meters.
Yeah, key
Turn
off.
right.
He's turned
Shit,
off.
that's in his house. Probably. Let me see what it looks like. Okay, give me a Google map.
Satellite.
Yeah. Just want to see, I know exactly what it looks like.
Yeah, it's at his house or something.
Where is that? No, it's not.
No.
No. How
Turn
far we?
right.
You're
Then,
going to turn right and it's
turn
in front.
left.
Okay, that one out.
That's it. It's in there. It's in there. It's in there.
Dink jy lê daarna?
No.
Hey, Mokoni Kitchen se garage.
Yes, maar ons gaan hom nie vat nie. Ons wag tot hy ry daar. Hierso, is dit nie hy daai nie.
Yeah, that's it.
Hm?
That's
Is it
it.
it?
It's a Cherry J2.
Positief zijn, M-registratie nog op.
Ja, that's it. Lima.
In 150 meters,
Okay.
turn right. Turn right. Then, turn right. Slight
Kan
left.
ek hier staan. Rustig.
Turn right. Turn right. Then, turn left.
So op hierdie pad. Sit on this road.
Yes.
In 400 meters,
Straight up ahead.
slight left. Slight left.
We were standing here and the thing already updated somewhere else. What? We need to get the axle darkly. Okay, just make sure we grab this one first.
Make a U-turn.
Ver voor ons.
Go
Huh?
straight, go straight.
Turn left.
Go straight. On this road. And go straight down this road. Ek dink vat lank om te update. Speed up.
Ja.
Speed up. Yes. Never seen this long to drink. Driving 8 km an hour on this road. 1 kilometer on the
In
left.
1 kilometer, your destination will be on the
Even if
left.
it's not going faster.
Come over to the left a bit. Ah, there's a white car that's on the side of the road here.
That's the one, probably.
It's not it. It's still further up. 400 meters.
Yeah, that's 400 meters ago.
What speed up? Is this it there?
Huh?
Is that the cherry there?
Very possible.
Slow down. This is a cherry, I think. Or this is a Ford. No, this is a Ford.
Your destination is on the left.
Lekker update.
It's still
Cherry does have a.
It's
Just check
could
for
be
it.
that one because it's still updating here.
Okay.
It's still updating there. Doing 8 k's an hour. White 2017 Cherry J2. Let me grab my
What's the
phone.
number plate on that thing?
Fox Vic. The new Fiesta looks like that. Hold on, let me
Wat
have,
se kar is daai? Wat is dit 'n Ford daai?
let me have
Go and check. Check the update.
Cherry J2. Those tires are here.
This is it.
Is this it?
Now look at the back.
Yeah, this is it. This is it.
Okay. On.
Go.
Design, design, positief.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we
Can
go.
make a U-turn.
No. We stop in front, Jaco in the back.
Positief design.
Papa, ja, ons gaan voor hom ingaan, dan vat jy hom van agter af, jy reg. Oh wait, I'll do the light.
Stap het raar.
Alright, na die pole gaan ons verby. Ready? It's two of them. Twee in die kar, die gat ons.
Go.